Gas prices are slowly coming down after surging to more than $4 a gallon since the start of the war with Iran.
With a U.S. naval blockade in the region and a wobbly ceasefire, the oil markets remain unpredictable. Fox's Amalia Roy is live with more tonight.
Good evening, John, Christina. Today, the price of oil closed at around $98 a barrel. Oil experts tell me that the market is highly sensitive to world events. So the Strait of Hormuz being closed, stalled talks, they all add to the fluctuating prices. The region's vital oil shipping lane, the Strait of Hormuz, is still at the center of these price hikes. Movement through the strait has mostly stopped again after Iran fired at a couple of ships over the weekend, and the U.S. Navy enforcing a blockade of Iranian ports and trade routes.
Given the magnitude of the disruption, the markets are extremely sensitive right now to any news on a day-to-day or even hour-to-hour basis as to what the prognosis for a deal, for peace, for resumption of oil flows could actually look like. That's why you see them jumping all over the place from one day to the next.
But gas prices are slowly trickling down. According to AAA, today the national average for regular gas is $4.02 a gallon, down from $4.04 yesterday and $4.12 last week, but still higher than $3.93 a month ago and $2.98 before the conflict began. Over the weekend, Energy Secretary Chris Wright told CNN that gas might not drop below $3 a gallon until next year. President Trump responded to that claim, telling The Hill he disagrees with his energy secretary. One oil expert told me they both may be right, depending on where you look.
You know, the exit price for 2026 for crude oil now is above $80, and that really only allows for sub $3 gasoline on the fringes. So they're both right in a sense. You know, I think the Secretary of Energy is right if he's looking at prices in, let's say, Texas. He's way off if he's talking about the West Coast. And I think the president is confident that, you know, prices will be mitigated lower, but I don't think you're going to see that in necessarily a whole big hunk of real estate.
As you mentioned earlier, President Trump announced that the ceasefire is extending indefinitely at Pakistan's request, but it's unclear when the leaders are going to meet again to negotiate. So that leaves oil prices on shaky ground, and oil experts say they're not sure if gas prices will continue to decrease.